In this video, I'm going to be doing a honest review on the Chispa dating application. Now, Chispa is specifically designed around Latino and Latina dating, which is the biggest selling point. Now, in this video, we're going to be going over the good and the bad. So first of all, let's go ahead and start off with the good. So one really good thing about Chispa is that compared to some of the other dating apps out there, it actually does have a substantial amount of user. So it has over 5 million downloads on the Google Play Store, and they have over 100,000 reviews with 4.2 out of 5 stars. So that's honestly pretty good. You know, they have a wide user base, and for the App Store, it shows 4.5 out of 5 stars from roughly 300,000 ratings. So the point is, there is a lot of people who've actually used this application who have seen some pretty good results. And, just looking around Reddit and stuff like that, and from friends who have also used this application, people are actually able to find long-term relationships on the application right over here. So that there is honestly pretty cool if you do ask me. So definitely the cultural focus is the thing that I love the most about this. So when you actually make an account, it's going to ask you what part of Mexico you're from or where your heritage is. So that's definitely something that I'm able to go ahead and appreciate. And then as you're able to tell, you're also able to see every person's favorite movie, their top artists and stuff like that. And in terms of the UI, it actually is pretty good if you do ask me. So you guys are definitely able to go ahead and send out likes and honestly just have a ton of fun using this application. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about some of the bad things that people have reported about using Chispa. So one of the bad things is the location and distance complaints. So users report seeing people much farther away than expected, sometimes 50 to 100 miles away. And also, they really do push the subscription a ton. So literally, if you try to do everything, they try to make you buy the subscription. So look, if we put this star over here, for example, there you go. It's gonna make you go ahead and actually pay for a subscription. So they really do really promote their subscription a ton. And of course, there also are a significant amount of fake or scam profiles out there and stuff like that. So that is certainly something that you want to keep in mind. And just as a general rule of thumb, if something is too good to be true, unfortunately, it is too good. That's just from personal experience. So you always want to keep that in mind whenever you're using literally any type of dating app. But from here, you're able to go ahead and begin swiping and have a ton of fun. So let's answer the main question. Is Chispa actually good? So to be honest, it's worth trying, but don't immediately pay for it. So I only recommend paying for it if you are able to see some results on this dating app. But if not, there really is no reason for you to go ahead and keep on swiping and stuff like that. But overall, the ratings are pretty strong. And despite these complaints, there have been a lot of positive feedback around the Chispa dating application. So that there is always a good sign and it's certainly something worth trying. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.